welcome to Linux Help. In this today's session, we are going to see how to install WordPress on Linux 9.2. WordPress is a popular open source content management system CMS. A content management system is a basic tool that makes it easy to manage important aspect of creating your own website or blog that was written in PHP. First, I'm going to check the OS version by using the following command. Now I am using Linux 9.2. Next, I'm going to install Apache web server by using the following command. Apache web server has been successfully installed. Next, I am going to enable and start the Apache web server by using the following command. Next, we need to add firewall rule for HTTPD service by using the following command. After adding HTTP service in firewall, need to reload the firewall service. Next, I am going to install PHP by using the following command. Our PHP has been successfully installed. Next, I am going to install MariaDB by using the following command. MariaDB has been successfully installed. Next, we need to enable and start the MariaDB service by using the following command. Now I am going to create a database for user. Password and WordPress in MariaDB. So that I am going to enter into MariaDB by using the following command. Now I am going to create a database. Next I am going to create a username with password. Next, I'm going to give the permission for my DB2 user. Next, I'm going to update the created users DBs and passwords by using the following command. After complete creating database, exit from MariaDB. Next, I'm going to install the following packages for WordPress download and unzip. Next, I'm going to download WordPress by using wget command. Long list the files by using the following command. This is our downloaded zip file. Now I am going to unzip the latest .zip file by using the following command. Next, I am going to move the WordPress directory under Apache root directory. Now I am going to authorize WordPress directory and subdirectories by using the following command. Next, I am going to configure the SLNX context for directory and its contents by using the following command. Next, I am going to rename the sample.php file to config.php file by using the following command. Next, I am going to edit the configuration file with the created database username and password. Here I am going to change our DB name. Next, I am going to change the username. Here I am going to enter the password. After finish editing the configuration file, save and exit from the file. At last, we need to restart the Apache service by using the following command. After complete installation, then move to the web browser and search our IP address. This is our WordPress welcome page. Here I am going to enter the site title. Enter the username. And enter password. Here we need to click the login and enter the username and password. This is the dashboard of our WordPress. By this way, you can install WordPress CMS on Rocky Linux 9.2.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.